Hello everyone, I am Kevin Estanotan, born and raised in Calapayan, San Fernando, Cebu. I've always been driven by a passion for learning and growth. My mother's name is Lucia Estanotan and my father's name is Gaudencio U. Tanotan, and I have two sisters named Christine Estanotan and Karen Estanotan. Growing up, I was captivated by basketball and spent hours honing my skills. This curiosity sparked a love for learning that has stayed with me to this day. As I grow older, my focus shifted towards academics. I was a member of Kamal Field Club where I developed valuable skills like teamwork, communication, and problem solving, participating in various events. In my free time, I enjoy playing online games and exploring the new activities. Traveling is another passion of mine. I had the opportunity to visit mountains and experience the different cultures. One thing that people might not know about me is that I'm a hard worker. This aspect of my personality has helped shape me into the person I am today. Overall, I am curious and driven individual, always looking to learn, grow, and connect with like-minded individuals. I'm excited to see what the future holds. You've done a great job sharing your interests, experiences, and personality.
You didn't have to cut me off. Like that. I can never. That we were nothing.